right. Hello. How's everybody doing today? My name is Scott. And first of all, just looking to give you guys a little background on our company. We've been in business for over 20 years now, and we've done every campaign known to man. And this telecom campaign is by far the easiest, most steady, most reliable money-making campaign we've ever done. I mean, it's been so extremely successful right out of the gate from 2 years ago from when we started it. We've just been expanding and scaling the business since we started taking on more contracts with more providers to get more customers scheduled for service so you can earn six figures or more. That's what it's all about, right? So today we bring to you an extremely lucrative money-making opportunity for you to sell or simply take orders from consumers who are interested in getting satellite TV, cable TV, internet, and home phone services installed in their homes. I don't have to tell you that everyone in the US wants and needs these services. I mean, it's a necessity. I mean, maybe they have service with another provider and they're just looking to switch to save some money, or maybe they just moved into the home and they're looking for brand new service. Either way, we're here to help. I mean, the market is huge. I mean, we're currently selling for Frontier Communications, bundled up with Dish Network, DirecTV, bundled up with Hughes Internet, Charter Spectrum, Time Warner, Bright House. We've got Xfinity Comcast, Cox Communications, Wow Cable, CenturyLink, Mediacom. You might recognize these are household names, literally billion-dollar companies that we're under contract with. So keep in mind, guys, we're able to sell to all 50 states. That's 288 million people because Dish Network, DirecTV, HughesNet, these companies, they operate off the satellite dish, or the service, I should say. So we got Dish Network and DirecTV on the satellite TV programming side, and then we have HughesNet on the satellite internet side. So we simply install a dish facing in the south direction, and voila, they've got service. So on top of all the cable providers that we're able to sell for, which we're going to cover all that in just a little bit. So between all these satellite and cable companies that we have contracts with and the services that we sell, work from home agents, just like yourself, are able to make realistically, with no hype, between $2,000 to $3,000 per week working from home, just taking orders, signing people up for satellite TV, cable TV, and internet services. Or maybe you're a business owner, you have an existing product or service that you're selling, you want to add something to your portfolio, as long as you have an EIN number and you're looking for a new, exciting, lucrative campaign to work, you can recruit agents, of course, to work directly for you. And that should be the end goal. Okay, so we're going to talk about that a little later on as well. So, you've definitely found a home. It doesn't get any easier than this. So today we're going to be talking about the telecom opportunity itself, the companies that we're able to sell for, the services that we're able to provide directly to the consumers, along with the compensation, the rate card, which is the best part. So buckle in and enjoy this very unique money-making opportunity. So, hello everyone. This opportunity is for telemarketers, appointment setters, sales reps, entrepreneurs, real estate agents, title companies. Again, maybe you're a call center owner just looking for a new and exciting, lucrative campaign to sell. Again, get ready to make some money. If you're not an existing call center owner, well, it's time to be your own boss. Okay, so there's no cold calling. These are all incoming calls. So we feel we have the number one most lucrative home-based money-making opportunity on the internet today. So ladies and gentlemen, you have found the six-figure club. All right, so here you'll notice we have the Frontier scripts bundled up with Dish Network. I'm not going to go through all of these scripts. We're going to send you all of this once you're online with us and on board. We're going to send this to you a little later on. You'll notice here we're able to schedule customers with DirecTV bundled with Hughes Internet. And again, we got the scripts for that. We're going to send all of this to you in your welcome aboard packet blueprint email that we're going to send to you. Here's a script for Charter Spectrum, Time Warner, Bright House. Again, I'm sure you recognize these household names that we're doing business with. Here we have a package at a glance cheat sheet. Again, you're going to get this as well in the attachments. Just this is something where you could just go and basically see what the services are really quick. If a customer asks you a question, how much is the internet? How much is the dish satellite? What kind of packages do you have? How many channels comes with the package? We're also going to send you channel lineups as well for the customers that ask you specific detailed questions like, is this channel included with this package or that package? You're going to have all of this information. Of course, more info on the home phone service. Same thing here with DirecTV bundled with Hughes Internet. We talk about the packages, the channels, what it costs per month, and you'll get all of this in the blueprint email. Here we have Charter Spectrum, Time Warner, Bright House packages they sell, what the cost is per month to the consumer. All right. On top of all that, we also sell for Xfinity and Cox and WOW Cable, CenturyLink, MediaCom, Windstream, Earthlink, Cable One, MetroNet. So it may look a little overwhelming right now, but don't worry. You'll get all of this in a detailed format in attachments. In a blueprint email again that we're going to send to you. So don't worry about all that right now. You're going to get all that later. So let's talk about how the leads are generated. Here's the exciting part. So we want you to just forget about cold calling. There's no more knocking on doors. I mean, that's a thing of the past. That's really, really old school and outdated. We have industry social media experts that have given us the successful money-making blueprint on methods that are working phenomenal to attract thousands of new customers daily. This is the secret sauce. We're going to give you the step-by-step formula on how to create a Facebook business page and how to boost your ads to thousands of people daily, targeting these people's interests. Okay, we're going to show you how to create ads on Google AdWords. These are the two biggest websites on the planet that exist. So we're going to show you how to generate tons of incoming calls from all over the US, literally reaching 288 million people that are in need of these services. So we're going to be pulling the curtain back. We're going to give you all of the training videos on Facebook and Google AdWords, social media marketing, pay-per-click marketing. This stuff is really, really easy to follow and easy to understand. Okay, we're going to show you how to get your phones ringing non-stop all day long, where you're just an order taker, which is a salesperson's dream. Okay, yes, you heard that correct. There's no more selling. There's no more high pressure sales. We're not trying to, cold call people out of the blue, and we're not trying to cram something down someone's throat that they don't want or need. All right, these are, again, consumers that, millions of people move every single day. They have a need for the service, just like they need to get their electricity and their water connected. They need satellite TV, cable, internet, and home phone services. So we're going to show you how to get jot forms filled out. Jot forms are basically red hot leads. They're going to be landing in your inbox all day long. Again, red hot leads that you can follow up with. These are customers that are wanting to get connected for service. Okay, we're going to give you proven emails and proven text messages for you to follow up with your potential consumers to sell these services. And for as little as $5 to $10 a day in advertising, not a whole lot of money. That's what everybody's spending. I mean, you could do easily 5 to 10 orders a day, making 500 to 600 a day or more. This is really on the conservative side. And when you add this up, we're talking about $2,000 to $3,000 per week. So remember, you're selling services that every single person needs: satellite TV, cable TV, internet, and home phone. Just as important as getting your electric or your water bill. I mean, everybody needs it to survive. I'm sure everybody will agree with that. So let's talk about the compensation plan, the rate card. This is the exciting part. And again, you're going to get a copy of this, so don't worry about trying to write this down. We're going to email this right over to you. You'll have the attachment shortly. Here with Frontier and Dish Network sales, if you sell a Frontier triple play, which is cable TV, internet, and home phone, you're going to make $150 per sale. So this is why we pitch Frontier bundled with Dish Network first, because it pays the most. All right, here, if you sell Frontier Internet with the home phone bundled in with Dish Network, you're making $140 commission. Frontier Internet bundled in with Dish Network, $125 commission. If you just sell Dish Network all by itself, that's satellite TV only, you're making an $80 commission. So it just depends on what the customer wants and needs when they call you. Of course, you want to sell them the most services that you can. If they just want cable TV only, $60 commission. Internet and home phone, $50 commission. Frontier Internet only, $40 commission. So every provider pays something pays differently. For example, Charter Spectrum, Time Warner, Bright House. These three companies, Spectrum, Time Warner, and Bright House, are all actually owned by the same company, which is the corporate Charter umbrella. It's all under the same umbrella. Okay, so if you sell a triple play, cable TV, internet, and home phone, you're making $80. Again, it just depends on what you're selling them. Cable TV only. And these phone calls go quick. I mean, like you're on the phones literally like 5 to 10 minutes. You're not even on the phone with them a long time. You're finding out what they want. You're asking them what their favorite channels are, as it states there in the script, which again, you'll have a copy of that soon. Asking them how many TVs they have in the house, and you're simply just filling out the order and submitting it over to us. Here you'll see DirecTV, AT&T bundled with Hughes Internet and home phone, $130 commission. DirecTV bundled with Hughes Internet, $120 commission. So I mean, you can add this up. I mean, people are doing 5 to 10 sales per day, like clockwork. There's not a lot of up and down where one day you do great, the next day you don't do that great. And this is very consistent. It's very reliable. As long as you're doing what we're telling you, following the formula, advertising on Google AdWords and Facebook, the phone calls come in all day long, every day of the week, even on Sunday if you want them. So if you want the calls to come in on Sunday. So the nice thing is we're going to show you in the training video on how to set the ad scheduling so you can actually control when the phone calls come in, when the ads are running, when the phone calls are coming in, and when the hours that you want to work. So we recommend you work 9 to 5 or 12 to 8, but that's just, we're just recommending that. That's the best contact time to write the most deals. Some people are really diehard salespeople. They really work the campaign like 9 to 9 all day long, and those are the guys doing well over $3,000 a week. It's crazy, but they're putting the hours in. So if you put the hours in, it's law of averages. The phone calls are coming in, you're speaking to customers, you're taking orders, and you're making sales. All right. Got the Hughes Internet here as well. So again, you're going to get a copy of this pay scale. All right, so welcome to the Six Figures Club, people. The pay week is based on all installations done Monday through Sunday. You're going to be paid 3 Fridays from that pay week. Okay, once you have your pipeline built up, you're going to be paid every Friday after that. Okay, you're also going to receive a funding report every Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time when you have commissions due. All right, so get ready to make some money. I hope you guys are excited. All right. Now, to get started working with us, all you have to do is send us an email to masterauthorizeddealer@gmail.com. Now, very important, do not respond through the Craigslist automated email address, as we can't send the application packet. It has to be a real email address. So a lot of people will just simply hit reply, and we can't send these attachments because the files are too big. We're trying to send you an application, a W-9, a compliance agreement, direct deposit form. So we can't send all of these attachments through the automated Craigslist system. The files are too large. So again, very important, do not just hit reply. That's what we're talking about here. Do not hit reply through the automated Craigslist system. Make sure you physically type in your email address in the body of the email. All right, so you want to state in the email that you're excited about the opportunity, you've heard the webinar, you've already been trained, you're ready to start. Upon receipt of the email, we're going to reply with the application, the compliance agreement, W-9 form, and the direct deposit form if you choose that method of payment, along with the compensation plan that we just went over. So again, we're going to send you copies of everything. We're going to make sure that you have the channel lineups. We're going to make sure you have the training videos on Facebook and Google AdWords on how to set everything up, which, by the way, you got everything set up in less than 30 minutes. You're ready to go. The phone calls actually happen very fast. With Google AdWords, they happen literally within an hour or two. As soon as they approve your ad, customers are typing in the keywords into the search engines. Search engine, I should say, Google. They're arriving at your ad. They're clicking and they're calling you right then and there, which is what we want in every scenario. So your phones are ringing off the hook, or they're filling out the jot forms. Those are the red hot leads. We're going to create these jot forms for you. They're going to be customized with your toll-free number going to your email address so you can work those leads. So again, we're going to give a lot more information, more details in the blueprint email that we're going to send to you once we get your paperwork back. That's the next step. Now, due to the fact that we're extremely busy, we're literally writing well over 2,000 plus deals every single week. This is the reason why we've automated this entire hiring process. So we're going to leave this page up for about another 5 minutes so you can take down our email address. Again, it's masterauthorizeddealer@gmail.com. Okay, send us an email letting us know you're interested. Make sure to type in your email address in the body of the email so we can respond with the onboarding docs to get the ball rolling. All right. Now, virtual call center owners, you have to have a valid corporation with a tax ID and EIN number. You have to have a business bank account, and you must have experience recruiting and training reps. Okay. You want to send us an email letting us know that you're interested in the call center owner opportunity so we can send you the webinar cut video. Okay, the webinar cut video is going to be exactly like this video that you're currently watching. The only difference is it's going to be cut off right before the pay scale. So the people that you're recruiting won't know what you're receiving. So again, we're going to give you a lot more details on that. If you're interested in the call center owner opportunity, again, you have to be incorporated and have a tax ID number or EIN number to qualify for the call center owner opportunity. Okay. Otherwise, just again, send us an email to masterauthorizeddealer@gmail.com letting us know you're interested and you want to get started working with us. All right. Our contact information, including our office number, all that's going to be included in the application packet, the onboarding docs that we're going to send to you. All right. Once we receive your paperwork back, then we're going to send you the step-by-step blueprint and training tutorial videos on how to advertise on Google AdWords and Facebook. And we're going to teach you how to generate these incoming calls so you're literally just taking orders all day long and you're making a ton of money working with us. All right, guys. So we look forward to you joining our successful money-making team. Thanks, and let's all have an extremely profitable year. I'm going to leave this up for about another 5 minutes so you can take down our email address.